I'm just wandering around, and this is the old garage, and this is what's left still for me to get moved. And I'm working on kind of condensing. Some of these did not get packaged up very well, so I am redoing some of the boxing up. What was supposed to happen was that all of the listed inventory was supposed to be in these red and black tubs. But instead of telling me that we were out of tubs, boxes got used, which can be very bad because then this gets mixed with everything else. So if you're moving your eBay business, I highly recommend you pick a color of tub for your listed and another color for your unlisted. We've got the yellow and blacks. Those are already long gone. Those are in one of the pods. Actually, one of the cool box. Keep saying pod, it's a cool box. But that keeps everything straight. So I'm going to keep working on getting this all better. All right. We are pumpkin picking from it's a really sad weed grass overrun pumpkin patch right now, but we left them here as long as we could growing, and we got two good sized pumpkins, and then this one wasn't quite ready to be done, but it's still, you know what, for carving a pumpkin. We had one, I guess he got too wet, so we did lose this little guy here, which is unfortunate. And then we had this poor little baby guy was just, look at this vine, was just starting to go with these little pumpkins, so those will be left for somebody else. Still gotta hit the weed eater on Shelly's old turnout, but yeah, this was quite the pumpkin experiment. So we're gonna take these home and carve them. So I finally felt good enough to catch up on some dishes, and why does it feel like every dish in my house is dirty? I mean, it's only me and two kids, and there's that much silverware. Come on, am I alone in this? I mean, I've got a whole thing going here too, but holy moly. Anyway, I feel better. I got things a little under control there. And for all of those who are asking about Fred and Scruffy, oh, Scruffy's actually out to say hi. There's Scruffy. You don't get to see Scruffy very much. And then there's Fred, and they are doing well. We've got their water all cleared up, and Rachel redecorated the tank. And they are very happy in their new little kitchen setting. We like to keep them in the kitchen so that we can say hi often. Oh, I'm sorry, I scared you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Fred. Oh, I'm so sorry. He's being camera shy. Okay, all right. We will turn your light off and say goodnight. There we go. All right. And as far as indoor decorations, this is about as far as I got. We got one little chunk of Halloween pumpkin-y things. I had so many greater plans than this year, but that's okay. At least I got these up. And as far as our outdoor decor, we did manage to order a couple of these Halloween blow-ups, and Rachel and I put them up today, which actually was no easy feat, because we had to pound into the ground these little stakes to keep them from falling over if it gets windy. But we got those up. Rachel put some spider webs over here, and then we don't have any light over here yet, but I did find some cool little skeleton birds and mice that are kind of hanging out in our little decoration here. And then we've got our little resident skeleton dog over here who just hangs out on the porch and looks ferocious because he doesn't bark anymore. Oh yeah, and then this big guy, but I don't have enough pluggage to plug him in right now till I get one of those 3-pronger things. So that's it. Ooh, I look kind of spooky with that dog behind me, right? So I just wanted to do a quick check-in today. I am feeling much better. I actually got a lot done today because when I went over to the old house today to kind of manage some things, I discovered that they had already turned the electricity off. It was supposed to be turned off. You know, I scheduled it for the 31st, which was supposed to be my last day there. And the electric company says, well, we don't turn off on the weekend, so we did it like the day before. And I said, yeah, but like, you didn't say anything. So they said, well, we can get it turned back on Monday. So I had to really quickly save what I could out of the freezer that's still over there. And the final move is taking place on Monday. Got the mover scheduled, and we're going to be done with that place. So thanks for your support and your prayers, and for just being willing to watch whatever I put up there so that I can keep the YouTube algorithm happy with a video. I know this one's really late today, but I still appreciate you watching it. So with that, go be profitable and make it fun.